Hi guys, it's Neil from the Xbox Hub. Been sent a couple of new products from KontrolFreek. We've got their new Inferno range. And we've got some white galaxies, which look pretty stunning. So we'll take a look at the Infernos first. Comes in the usual KontrolFreek packaging. Simple cardboard box. On the back there, gives you their usual blurb, improves accuracy, enhances grip, gives you an increased comfort. So if we pop them open, just slide out, and there are the two Inferno sticks. They're both the same height, just 10.4mm high rise. The back of the packet there. We pop them off. And the right one. Both exactly the same. You've got the black grips and the red top with the laser etched swirl. If we grab a controller, these should go nicely on this custom one. As always, just pop them on. And the right side. There we have it. Ideal for shooters. Ideal accessories for your nice custom controller there. They're very similar to these, which are the KontrolFreek Vortexes. As you can see, one of the sticks on that is slightly smaller, but it's the same swirl as that found on these new Infernos. So I'll have a full review for you soon. If you like this video, please like us, subscribe, do all the usual things. I'll catch you again soon. Bye bye.